Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can stop the video embedding for your videos you publish on Vimeo. For example, if you'd like to stop users or audience from embedding your video clips across the internet. If you don't want that anymore to happen, you will need to navigate to Vimeo account, log into it, click into your profile icon in top right and choose settings. Here guys, navigate to the video settings. And then what you want to do next is scroll down, and here where it says, where the question is where can your videos be embedded, switch from the default setting, which is anywhere, to nowhere, which is going to block your basically the embedding for entire video library. Click into save. Make sure that you select this option, also apply to all existing videos, because if you don't enable this option, this setting will only apply to uploads from now on. So if you'd like to apply this to existing videos, select this option. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.